Ready to experience gaming like never before? Sony's PlayStation 5 Pro is finally here, but not for everyone. Sony dropped the PS5 Pro in September, and now it's hitting shelves around the globe. But here's the twist. Not every country can get it yet. India, for example, is left out due to Wi-Fi 7 restrictions. If you're in a supported region, brace yourself for a $699.99 price tag, or, if you're a true collector, the ultra-rare 30th anniversary limited edition bundle is also up for grabs at $999.99. Sony unveiled the PlayStation 5 Pro back in September, and now it's finally becoming available throughout the globe. Well, almost. There are still countries where it's not going on sale. India is the most notable among them. Here's Sony's official stance on the matter. PS5 Pro will not be available in some countries, which presently includes India, where 6 GHz wireless band used in IEEE 802.11b Wi-Fi 7 has not yet been allowed. Everywhere else, you are now free to spend $699.99 on it. Or, if you have $999.99 just lying around, you can get the 30th Anniversary Limited Edition Bundle, limited to 12,300 individually numbered units featuring a special design inspired by the original PlayStation released in 1994.